Supercouple.fun, a bounty-based trust system for crypto-native humans. Don't swipe, stake to date. Traditional dating apps optimize for swipes, not trust or real intent. Fake profiles, low signals, very small results, addictive, endless. We don't declare trust, we prove it by action because your wallet does the talking. We are not matching people, we are revealing who they are through what they do. So let's connect your wallet, depends on your UX needs. Explore the bounty, create your own bounty, or choose by preferences, hobbies, or needs. When the bounty is accepted, it starts to stake. So lock the idea, and when mission is complete, you end up here on the reputation board. Get better bounty matches, charge higher stake, and build your reputation and recognition for the community. Mission complete, score increase. How does it work? The proof of connection is what makes our product so different. But yes, the chemistry, physical appearance is also important. When the both players of one bounty want to know who they are and meet in the real time, in the real life, our sponsors are here for you to match your best soulmate. Oh yeah, soulmate. And turns your matches into memories. Web3 companies and also the mainstream like traveling, romance, hospitality, fashion, entertainment and clubbing are creating the bounties because crypto is going mainstream and we are here a first blockchain, dating, social media app for real connection. Because we don't swipe, we commit, stake and complete shared action. It is behavioral based and verifiable on Solana. We connecting human through stake-backed collaboration. Join us.